Do you want to make an extra $1,000 a month without putting in extra hours? The secret is AI tools, and I'm about to show you how. AI has completely changed the side hustle game. Whether you're freelancing, blogging, or running an online store, tools like ChatGPT can generate content fast, saving you time. Want to build an e-commerce empire? AI-powered platforms like Shopify automate everything from inventory to customer service. For social media, tools like Jasper handle marketing and create high-converting copy in minutes. You don't need to be a tech expert. Just plug these tools into your existing hustle and watch your productivity soar. Now, here's the exciting part. If you want the exact list of AI tools that can help you earn that extra $1,000 a month, just comment side hustle below and I'll send you a personalized checklist. It's 2024, let's work smarter, not harder.